You're going to stand with your feet hip distance apart or together, still about alignment. You want a nice long spine, and open up the shoulders, open up the chest, roll the shoulders back. So start with your feet or your foot that you're standing on, the left foot. Big toe, pinky toe, pressing down both sides of the heels, pressing down into the mat. We're going to bring our other foot up. Let's just start with bringing it up. Just the heel toward the leg. If you can, you want to start rotating the hip and pointing that knee to the side. You want to zip it up and again lengthen. We're still lengthening through the spine here. We still have a nice open stance, open chest, okay? This is tree pose. If you want to play around with your balance, you can add the hands to heart. All right, you can just stay here. You can lift your arms if that feels good. But just remember to lengthen. I'm engaging the core, pressing that belly button toward the spine. I have a nice length in my tailbone. And tree pose.